This USB PCB board, once the power turn on, but nothing written. The PCB is dead. Okay. Actually, in this situation, we found that the capacitor here is failed. Both sides conductive. And let us check the resistors. Okay. Anyway, we found the other capacitor on the other board. Okay, let us just check. Okay, so this is working. Okay, there are some resistance. Okay, so we are going to change this capacitor to here. Okay, we start to remove this one first. Okay, that is quite a big capacitor, so it's not that hard to replace. So just choose the right tools here. To this size, so just cover. For capacitor, we have to make sure the plus and minus when you put the capacitor on. And so we use the heat gun to heat it up, and should be removed easily. Okay, so we take it aside first, and we take this one off from here. Put this one aside and put that one back on here. So hit the iron. Okay, so yeah, it's done. Just about 5 minutes. 5 minutes work. And now we can see the reading. Let me just turn on the computer on, and there are voltage 5.15. So at the end, computer turn on, and also put the USB here. There are reading of 5.14 voltage, and it's reading 5.14 and 0.09 amp. So which is not working, which is not detecting the USB before. And thank you for watching.